guys, how y'all doing? I'm back again with another PPC tip. In case you haven't checked out our previous tips, the link is in the description below. Do make sure that you go through all of the tips. So let's get started with PPC tip for day 6. Today we're going to address the common notion that if you bid on high-level, high-search volume keywords, you get more sales. Although this does make logical sense, there are different aspects that come into play that make these keywords heavily undesirable. Let's look at plastic food wraps. If you are selling plastic food wraps, bidding on food wraps as a keyword makes perfect sense. But there are 20,000 products indexed for this keyword. So you can safely assume that there are 20,000 products bidding on this keyword. Also, if you do bid on this keyword and if your bid wins, you appear at the top of the page. And if the buyer sees your product, it's not guaranteed that he's going to buy your product because he could be looking for another product like beeswax food wrap or this other food wrap, which is also plastic, which is priced at $2 with 602 reviews. So the competition makes the whole keyword highly undesirable. Also, do remember that cost per click for such generic keywords tend to be really high, which might result in a high ACoS unless your orders or the listing price suffice for the clicks that you're getting for the keyword. But a more targeted keyword like, let's say, plastic food wrap or plastic food wrap with slide cutter has more buying intent and lower competition, which might result in higher conversions. So the bottom line is, don't go chasing high search volume, highly generic keywords, but look at the conversions. Pick the keywords that are converting more for you. So that's it for today's PPC tip. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit on the bell button so that you get notified every time we put up a video like this. See you again tomorrow with PPC tip number 7.